Hi there, my name is Martijn, the founder of WhatPulse, and I'm about to show you how to set up the Stream Deck plugin for WhatPulse. Before you begin, make sure that you have a working Stream Deck application and a working WhatPulse application. You can also see that I've already got a few profiles in here, which I'm also going to show you how to control those using the Stream Deck. But first, let's go back to the help article and see what the steps are. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to enable the client API, which I'll actually show you after I've installed the Stream Deck plugin, because I want to show you the error message that you get when you don't enable the client API first. But let's go ahead and install the Stream Deck plugin using the Stream Deck Marketplace. And if you're not logged into the Stream Deck Marketplace or the Elgato Marketplace yet, you'll have a sign up, sign in button over here, but right now I can just click the button open in Stream Deck in order to install this plugin. So now it'll open up the Stream Deck app and install the WhatPulse plugin. So a couple of things to note here is that we have a bunch of different actions or buttons, all related to specific statistics. So we can add our ranks for the accounts, or we can add my total distance on the account itself. I can also add real-time statistics, so what is my keys per second at this point in time, so you can track your KPS. Also same thing with upload and download. And then there are two actions right now that are actually doing things instead of showing things, showing statistics, which are pulse and open windows. You can open the WhatPulse window using the Stream Deck, and you can also send a pulse using the Stream Deck. Apart from that, let's add the Unpulse keys and the Unpulse clicks. And here's the reason why I did not do step 1, because I wanted to show you this error message. So if you do not have the client API enabled, Stream Deck will try to connect to it, but it can because the client API is not enabled. So we want to go back to WhatPulse, go to Client API, and then simply hit the enable button over here, meaning that it'll be enabled and opening connections from the Stream Deck to WhatPulse. So now if I wait a minute, you can see that we are now connected to WhatPulse. At the same time, you also saw that these numbers became available because these are clicks and keys now directly from the client. So if I continue clicking here, you see that this number is going up. If I type a couple of keys, you'll see that this number is going up. So this is real-time information from the WhatPulse client presented on the actual physical Stream Deck. So the next thing that I want to show is how to control profiles within the Stream Deck. So I've already have a couple of profiles here. So an essay, freelancing, a couple of these ones. And I want to press a button, literally press a button on my Stream Deck and then enable and activate one of these profiles. So if I go here to the profile toggle action, drop that onto the canvas, I can now select a profile name. So these are the ones that you can see on the right side hand where I've got all of my profiles listed. So I can select this, the name will become apparent, and then I can add another one. Let's choose gaming over here, and then maybe add another one. Let's use work here. So now I've got total control over these profiles using my Stream Deck. So if I physically hit the essay button, you can see two things. One, it highlights the WhatPulse logo over here. And two, you can see inside the WhatPulse client, this one essay is now activated. And if I press that same button again, you can see the general profile is now active and the highlight is also gone. And the same thing happens when I press the gaming button, or if I press the work button, then you can see that the gaming will automatically be deactivated because you can only have one profile active. So this is a very easy way to very quickly switch between your specific profiles. The last thing of note here is that this list is refreshed whenever you select a button. So let's say that I am now adding a profile in WhatPulse. You will not see that right away in this select box. All you need to do is you need to go away from that button, click it again, and at that point it will refresh the list and you can select the test profile over here. So that's it. I've shown you how to install the Stream Deck plugin for WhatPulse, connect it to the WhatPulse client using the client API, and then also how to get quick and easy access to the profile toggle button in order to very easily and quickly switch between tracking statistics for specific profiles. Thank you for watching.